Hey guys, what's going on? It's YoAnty, and I'm doing some spring cleaning. I've got about 10 to 12 pairs of sneakers that I'm just kind of flush out. I've got so many extra pairs of sneakers lying around that I just gotta sell some. So I'm using the Poshmark app to sell these. You can download the Poshmark app. The link is in the description, and you can go on and buy these. They're all at discounted prices. The Poshmark app is great for buying and selling clothes, sneakers, accessories, things like that. You can really find some really good deals on here that you may not be able to find on eBay and some other sites like that. What I've done is I've got ahead and listed all of these sneakers on there. Just gonna go through all the shoes right now. Another thing you could do too is you can download the app with the link in the description and create your own closet. You can follow me there and you can buy and sell things on there as well. First up, I got a pair of blue suede Saucony G9 Masters. These are a size 9, worn one time, really awesome color, comfortable shoe. Next up, I got Grit SD. This is a size 9. This is the, I forget the specific theme behind these. I think it was like a popsicle type theme, but the all red suede Grit SD, really nice color for the summer. Next up, I actually really like these. I don't even necessarily want to let them go, but I just have to flush out sneakers, and I only wore them, you know, once or twice, and they're in great condition. It's the Sneaker Politics collaboration on the Courageous that's called the Jackson. Awesome theme, collab, materials. You get the 3 different colors. These are awesome, and the original retail on these is, I don't know, at least $140. I'm gonna let them go. All the prices are in the Poshmark app. Click the link in the description and download the app and check out the prices. This is a size 8.5. Next up is the Shadow 6000, size 9. This is the Dirty Snow. Has the clear outsole, that snow print on the middle part. Never worn. Really, all these have great materials on them. All these are basically new or worn once or just tried on. Really great condition. Next up, pair of Adidas. This is the Tubular Shadow in the gray knit. Original retail $100 on these. I really like these. If you are looking for that easy alternative, this is really a good option, I think. That whole gray knit upper, gray bottom, gray patch on the tongue. Just a really clean sneaker. Once again, those are, I would wear those. I still like those. I don't have time to wear all these sneakers. Next up, Filling Pieces. Another really awesome sneaker. This is the Roots Runner. Thick, chunky midsole. See, I don't know a whole ton about Filling Pieces, so I know there are Filling Pieces fans that may really like these. So these is going to be another great buy, because these retail for, once again, I think well over $140. These are size 9 or European size 41. But great suede color. And honestly, if these don't sell, I have no problem keeping these and rocking them. Next up, a pair of brand black sneakers. I forget the specific model on these. They're actually samples. These are samples. This is the tan colorway, size 9. I also have the gray colorway as well. So these, see, these are not, they're extremely comfortable. Brand black makes really great sneakers. So if you're looking for just a nice clean sneaker from a different brand, brand black. Next up, another pair of Saucony Shadow 6000. This is the fishbowl or aqua marine color, size 9. These are another one where I'm like, ooh, these pop. These I worn maybe once or twice, but really great color on these. The tough part is, like, I have so many pairs of Sauconys that I just can't wear them all. I have another probably 30 pair back there somewhere. This is the Shadow G9 Master in the Blink colorway, black and pink, nice suede, and I'm letting them go for good prices. And then lastly is the Grit SD in the navy and gray colorway. A few times. I'm letting them all go for good prices. So in the comments, leave what your Poshmark handle is. I'll come and find you. Remember to use the link in the description and download the Poshmark app. Thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video and helping me do some spring cleaning, which I desperately need to do. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for this hoodie. There is going to be a special release in about a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. But yeah, other than that, follow me on social, links in the description. Talk to you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.